Information governance affects every organization, whether you realize it or not. It shapes how information is created, protected, trusted, and ultimately disposed of. In this video, we explore a practical information governance topic, explained clearly, without unnecessary jargon, and focused on real-world risk, compliance, and outcomes. Information governance is one of those terms that sounds abstract until something goes wrong. A data breach, a failed audit, missing records, or information that no one can trust. In the digital age, information governance is no longer optional. In this video, we'll explain what information governance really is, why it matters, and how it helps organizations reduce risk while working more efficiently. Information governance, often called IG, is the framework organizations use to manage information responsibly throughout its life cycle. It defines who is accountable for information, how it should be handled, how long it should be kept, and when it should be disposed of. It brings structure to how information is created, used, stored, shared, protected, and eventually destroyed. In practical terms, information governance helps organizations answer some critical questions. Who owns this information? Who is allowed to access it? How sensitive is it? How long do we need to keep it? And when is it safe and lawful to dispose of it? Information governance is often confused with records management or data governance. Records management focuses on evidence, retention, and defensible disposal. Data governance focuses on structured data, things like accuracy, ownership, and quality. Information governance sits above both. It provides the overall accountability and decision-making framework that ensures records management and data governance work together, instead of in silos. The digital age has transformed how organizations work, but it has also multiplied information risk. Information now lives across email shared drives, cloud platforms, collaboration tools, and business systems. Without governance, information becomes duplicated, unreliable, and difficult to control. Information governance matters because it helps organizations reduce compliance and regulatory risk. It improves security and privacy by controlling access and handling sensitive information correctly. It improves findability by reducing duplication and creating consistent structure. It increases efficiency by enabling faster retrieval and better workflows. And it supports digital transformation by creating reliable, trustworthy information foundations. Without information governance, technology investments often increase complexity instead of reducing it. Effective information governance is built on a few key components working together. First, governance and accountability. Someone must be responsible for information decisions. Ownership cannot be vague or informal. Second, policies and procedures. These translate governance principles into everyday practice. Third, information lifecycle management. From creation through active use to retention and defensible disposal. Fourth, technology enablement. Tools like SharePoint, enterprise content management systems, and records management systems must be configured to support governance, not undermine it. And finally, culture and adoption. Governance only works when people understand it and apply it in their daily work. Many organizations struggle with information governance because they face common challenges. Information scattered across too many platforms, unclear ownership and accountability, no consistent retention rules, poor classification and metadata, and low user adoption. The result is rising risk, higher storage costs, and declining trust in information. Getting started with information governance does not require a massive transformation program. The most effective approach is phased and practical. Start by defining scope and objectives. Assign clear ownership. Establish life cycle rules. Configure technology to support governance. And support people through training and practical guidance. Information governance is not about control for its own sake. It is about enabling organizations to work confidently, compliantly, and efficiently. If your organization is struggling with information sprawl, compliance risk, or unreliable records, information governance provides the foundation for improvement. Subscribe for the next video in this series, where we'll explore the information governance framework in more detail. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, you'll find the rest of this information governance series valuable as well. Each video focuses on a specific aspect of governing information responsibly in the digital age. Subscribe to stay updated and join us in the next video, where we continue building a practical information governance framework. Thanks for watching.